Hello friends, my name is Kay Sitinjak and you can call me Kay. Okay, in this video I will show you about how to deal with cough. Check out the tutorial ya. Squeeze one the lime. Pour a little sweet soy sauce, so it's not too sour. Add a little warm water. Let's drink. Yummy!